Dear students, welcome you in the semester third of MSc, and just I am going to here discuss the syllabus of nuclear physics, which is consisting the paper 11. As you can just see here, this is the corresponding syllabus for here nuclear physics, which is consisting of basically the 4 units are here, and in this we shall discuss here the 4 units. We shall discuss unit first, which is consisting the nuclear properties and nuclear models, in which there are concepts of atomic size, nuclear size, shape, what is the charge distribution, regarding what is the spin, parity, magnetic moment, electric quadrupole moment, binding energy, semi-empirical mass formula, mirror nuclei, and in this we shall also discuss here what are the liquid drop model consisting experimental evidences for the cell effect, and we will also discuss here the cell model, magic numbers, spin orbit coupling, single particle cell model, and its validity and limitation. In regard, we have also have the discussion. This is the collective model as well. Now we just move on to the unit second, which is the corresponding to nuclear forces and nuclear interactions. Actually nuclear forces and nuclear interactions के बारे में हम इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे. What is the theory of the neutron and nuclear level properties? In this regard, we have the nuclear interactions, which is of the low and high energy nuclear interactions, is scattering, Yukawa-Mason theory of the nuclear forces, spin, which is you can just see in this. We shall also discuss what is the spin dependence, charge dependence of the nuclear forces. So we just move to the next unit, which is nuclear reactions, and in this nuclear reactions we shall discuss here the kinds of the nuclear reactions. Basically there are so many kinds of the nuclear reactions, and they are based on the certain conservation laws. So we will discuss in this lecture as well, in this syllabus as well. Nuclear reactions, what is the kinematics behind the nuclear reactions, what is the charge particle reaction spectroscopy, which is neutron spectroscopy. In this regard, we shall have the nuclear cross section and compound nucleus, nuclear transmutations, continuum theory of the nuclear reactions, and nuclear fission, chain reactions, nuclear fusion, thermonuclear reactions. So this will be covered in the, you can just see here, unit third, which is of the nuclear reactions. Now we just move to the unit fourth. Unit fourth is generally, you can just see here, this is the nuclear decays. Nuclear decays are basically alpha, beta and gamma decay will be discussed, and their corresponding theories, gamma theory or alpha decay. Correspondingly for the beta decay we will discuss here the Fermi theory, and correspondingly we have the certain proper selection rules as well, and on this behalf we have the neutrino hypothesis, and correspondingly in the beta decay there is parity violation, and we shall also discuss here the K capture and internal conversion. So this is the students all about the syllabus we are going to discuss from Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3 and Unit 4. There are basically the 4 units in MSc Nuclear Physics third semester syllabus. Now we shall just focus on the certain books here. As you can just see here, nuclear physics, you can just see here, this is W.E. Burcham. As it is mentioned here, W.E. Burcham is one of the best book you can have, and on the other hand, nuclear physics by Erwin Kaplan and nuclear physics by this is Roy Nigham. Roy Nigham is particularly available in our libraries. Either these books are also available, but we have because of their cost, some of the books may not be available. In this we can have the Atomic and Nuclear Physics by S.N. Ghosal. This is abundant, it is found abundant in our library as well. You can just have and have the proper knowledge of this Atomic and Nuclear Physics by S.N. Ghosal, Nuclear Physics by H.I.N.J. and Nuclear Physics by this Evans. And you will just see here there is a book which is problem based nuclear physics by H.M. Agrawal sir of the Pantnagar University. These books are, you have to just consider. In this regard, I just want to tell you that these books are not sufficient if you are preparing for the exams as well as, so you have to just you can have a lot of knowledge can be gained when we have the proper information of the particular this subject. So this can be gained by, we have then variety of the books. In this regard, I am just telling you one more book. This is Kenneth S. Crane here. Kenneth S. Crane, this is one of the best book. You can just have proper information, and it will be have, you can, it is also available in the soft copy as well as you can just go in the PDF forms. Also some of libraries have their books, so you can just have the proper knowledge from there as well. So in this, and one more important book, I am just going to discuss here, which is the complete compilation of the subjects which we study, or the branches which we study in the physics. This is the modern physics. Modern physics by Arthur Weiser. This is in itself one of the complete compilation of all the, either you just see quantum mechanics, statistical mechanics, you just see nuclear physics, you just have the other, you just see here, it is a complete compilation of, you just see all the topics of this modern physics. So it must have the book, you must take into consideration when you are just going to study this subject. So student, I hope this information which will be very fruitful, and you will just follow the steps that I have told you, and we shall discuss the syllabus in detail in other lectures. So thank you, thanks for watching, thanks a lot to all the students. So thank you dear.